he observed a honeycomb. So this, he said that the cells in honeycomb resemble the cells in the cork. These are both are dead cells. They'll be hard to touch it. There won't be any protoplasm or anything, and there won't be any living. So it observed cork cells and honeycomb cells. In a honeycomb, the cells are arranged like this. The cells are arranged like this. So he observed this one. This is the structure of a honeycomb. Later on, he studied the structure of cork. Robert Hooke, he called it as the cell. So this cell means, he made that called the cell means a living room, a compartment. It is a compartment. Cell means is a compartment. So in Latin, it is known as the little room. Little room. In Latin, it is known as the little room. Cell means some components or compartments. Latin, it means little room. He observed the cells of cork, honeycomb, and formulated many of the things. Now let us try to. He did experiments on that tissue. We can observe this tissue in the by using the matchsticks. Matchsticks will be made of some hard wood. So let us do this. Before going to know something, conducting the experiment, you have to learn some of the things. This is called a needle. This is called a needle. This is called a forceps. This is called a forceps. This is called a brush. This is called a watch glass. This is called a watch glass. This is called a glass slide. This is called a glass slide. And this is called a dropper. And this is called a cover slip. This is called a cover slip. And this is the glycerin solution. And to give coloration, we use different types of colors, stains. They are called as the stains. They are called as the stains. So this is a watch glass. This is a glass slide. This is a cover slip. This brush, needle and all other, you know. So he conducted. What does he do? We don't get cork now. So he observed. He took the matchsticks. He took the matchsticks. He soaked them in water for some time, for an half an hour. So experiment is activity 1. Activity 1. Activity 1. Things required are: number 1, soaked matchsticks, watch glass, glass slide, cover slip, brush, forceps, needle, etc. So things required: soaked matchsticks, watch glass, glass slide, cover slip, brush, forceps and needle. So what did he do? He took the watch glass. He took the watch glass and he took a matchstick. He took a matchstick and he cut it into pieces. He took thin sections of matchstick. Thin sections of matchstick like this. He took the thin sections of matchsticks and placed them in the watch glass. He took a brush. He took a brush and placed the section on the glass slide. Placed the section on the glass slide. He stained it and he dropped 1 drop of glycerin on the glass slide on the section and placed a cover slip over it. He placed this and he placed this. He took this glass slide and put it under the microscope for observation. What does he do? He took some matchsticks, soaked them in water for more than half an hour. As we don't get caught, we use matchsticks. So he did so. Next, what does he do? He took a watch glass, a blade and took thin sections of matchstick and he transferred them into the watch glass and took one of the finest sections and placed it on the glass slide and he put over 1 drop of glycerin and placed a cover slip over the glass section, and he took this one and observed this under the compound microscope. He confirmed that this is the structure of the cork tissue. So cork tissue is made up, instead of, as we don't get cork tissue, if you observe honeycomb, you can see the similar structures. So these things, with the help of these things, he said that every organism or anything, either plant, animal or anything, is made of some small compartments. These compartments they are arranged. The more the number of cells, the more number of the size of the thing. If you use 4 bricks, you get small step. If you use more number of bricks, you get the wall. So, suppose if it is a room, you use many more number other than the wall. So, this is the general one. What is the activity? This is the activity to observe the cell. This is the activity to observe the cell. To sum up, things are similar from masses to human beings. They are made of tiny compartments, and this idea was later gave a new life to the science. Leeuwenhoek discovered microscope. Robert Hooke discovered the cell. He observed the cells of honeycomb, cork and honeycomb, and found that these are similar. So we repeated the experiment with matchsticks and observed the thing under the microscope. So this is something about the today's lesson. Have a nice day.